So I got a quick tip video for you guys today. If you have the newer Jeep Wranglers, they got rid of this throttle return spring for some reason. With this Jeep, with the 6-speed manual, 373s with these, a little bit smaller of tires, the throttle is just kind of hard to keep steady. It's just so light. So all you have to do to basically add your own is Dorman makes this like universal throttle return spring set. Part number is 59207, and one of these springs works perfect, right for the TJ. So basically all we're going to do is grab the spring like this, and we're going to loop this one from this side through like that, and then the other one you're going to reach up around the top here and get it to go into there, and then now we have just a proper throttle return spring. So it makes the pedal a little bit stiffer, which is nice. You can just be just a lot more smooth with your throttle, and it's just like the earlier model TJs with the throttle return spring. So if you guys kind of have that issue where the throttle is a little bit too light for you, give this a shot. This is like 10 bucks. So throw $10 at it and see if that helps. And then I also just kind of took these pliers and bent up a little bit, just to kind of curve it around so it wouldn't pop off the throttle when it's being actuated and releasing, and to give it just a little bit more tension. You can see this is kind of the tension I got on it, where it's pretty much fully compressed, and then once you start to kind of go a little bit. So I could probably tighten this up just a smidge if I wanted a little bit better, but I think it's really good where it's at right now. All right, so here we are on my TJ, and this is what the factory one looks like. It's got this little nub here that goes in there, but it's under pretty much the same amount of tension, where it's kind of under tension but not really, but that's what the factory one looks like. So you could probably get a factory one, but these on eBay are like 30 some dollars, 40 bucks. So just get yourself a universal one. It's going to do the same job. So anyway, guys, hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, and definitely consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.